Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super helpful for international travelers, China's 144-hour visa-free transit policy. If you're planning a quick visit to explore some of China's top destinations, but don't want the hassle of applying for a visa, this policy might be perfect for you. Let's go over everything you need to know. The 144-hour visa-free transit policy allows visitors from eligible countries to stay in certain regions of China for up to 6 days without a visa. It's designed for travelers who are transiting through China and want to take a short detour to explore the country. Now, let's talk about where you can go. As of today, November 2024, there are 12 permitted stay areas eligible for the 144-hour visa-free transit policy, which include Beijing Tianjin Hebei region, Shanghai Zhangjiajie region, Liaoning province, Shandong province, Henan province, Shaanxi province, Hebei province, Chongqing municipality, Sichuan province, Yunnan province, Guangdong province, and Fujian province. These 12 areas already include some of the top tourist attractions in China, such as Beijing, Shanghai, Xi'an, Chongqing, Chengdu, Shenzhen, Guangzhou, Hangzhou, and Lijiang. If you want to explore additional areas like Hunan, Heilongjiang, and Guangxi, there are also options for 72-hour visa-free transit. Famous attractions such as the Avatar Mountains in Zhangjiajie and the Ice City of Harbin are included. Alright, who's eligible? As of November 2024, the 144-hour visa-free transit policy covers citizens from 54 countries, including 40 countries in Europe, like the UK, France, Germany, Switzerland, Spain, and others. 6 countries in the Americas, including the United States, Canada, and Mexico. 6 Asian countries, such as Japan, South Korea, and the UAE. And 2 Oceania countries, Australia and New Zealand. To qualify, you need a confirmed onward ticket to a third country or region. That means, for example, if you're traveling from the US to Japan with a layover in China, you can take advantage of this policy. Not on the list. Don't worry, China has been regularly extending it. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll keep you updated in my upcoming videos if there are any changes. Requirements and documents checklist. To make things simple, here's what you'll need. A valid passport from an eligible country, valid for no less than 3 months. Proof that you meet the conditions for entering a third country or region. A connecting ticket for a flight, train, or ship to a third country or region within 144 hours. It's super easy to apply for the 144-hour visa exemption. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Simply arrive at one of the 38 entry ports. Step 2. Ask the information desk for the arrival card for temporary entry foreigners and fill it out. Step 3. Complete your fingerprint collection if required. Step 4. Show your passport, flight tickets, and the arrival card to the immigration counter designated for 144-hour visa-free transit. And that's it. Here are a few important tips to make the most of your 144-hour visa-free visit. Make sure to stay within the permitted area during a single entry. Do not travel across different areas. You can exit from a different city within the same area. For example, enter from Beijing and exit from Tianjin. Be sure to book transfer flights instead of direct flights to China. Make sure to book your accommodation in advance, as you may need to provide a local address on the arrival card and at the immigration counter. If your passport ever has a rejection stamp by a Chinese visa-issuing agency, the 144-hour policy will not be applicable. Please keep a close eye on the official Chinese immigration admission site for updates on any changes. That's it for today. The 144-hour and 72-hour visa-free transit policies offer a fantastic way to experience a taste of China without the need for a full visa. So if you're planning a layover in China, why not take advantage of these policies to explore? If you have any questions about the 144-hour policy, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more travel tips and guides. See you in the next video.